And if you're looking for a quick and easy way to connect your iPhone to your Lexus factory OEM Mark Levinson sound system, I got a quick and easy solution for you. It is this gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. This Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to connect your iPhone to your stock OEM factory system, Mark Levinson system on the Lexus LS400 or LS430. All you have to do is connect my gadget onto your iPhone like this. Simple as this. And you'll be able to play all your music through your Lexus sound system without having to get a new aftermarket radio. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Try my gadget out and I guarantee we'll be very happy with it.
By Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Money, it comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll get crystal clear sound without any hissing or static, unlike any FM transmitter. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.